Let's take a look at creating a European style cabinet layout in AutoCabinets. I'm going to select a wall command. Let's say our first wall is 162 inches. And I'm going to draw that. And we'll attach a wall to this wall here. Let's say I have a wall that's 136 and 7/8. Choose the angle and click OK and draw. So we'll put that wall in. So your two walls are drawn for you. I'll go to the library. We'll go to a European style of cabinetry. I'm going to take a sink base, and I'm just going to tell it to center the sink base on this wall. Go from here to here. It's just going to center on what I've selected. We'll go to the library again, and I'll take a corner cabinet here, and I'm just going to tell it to go to the right. I'm going to click here and here, and it's going to move the corner cabinet into the right here. If I take my tape measure tool, go from here to there, I've got 27 inches left over. So I'm going to go back to the library, select like a drawer bank. So even though the drawer bank is 30 inches in the library, I'm going to tell it to select distance on screen and insert, and we'll just put a drawer bank in there. It'll automatically size itself to fit the opening. It shrunk to fit the opening that was left over. Since we have a sink base here, we'll go back to the library. I'll go to appliances, dishwasher. We'll take just a dishwasher. And here I'm going to just tell the dishwasher to go to the right and insert. And then if I click here to here, it's just going to move itself in to fit next to the sink base. I can take my tape measure again, go here to there. So I have 39 inches left over. I'll go back to the library. This time I'll just take a standard base cabinet, and I want to say start this base cabinet 4 inches over here and just let it go into this dishwasher. So I'm just going to say from left 4 inches, select distance on screen and insert. So when I click here to there, again it sized the cabinet to fit. It sized the cabinet to fit the opening. Now if I want to lay out, say I want a window in above this, I'll go back to library. We'll go to doors and windows. I just choose a window style that I want, and we'll insert this window. This window's 42 inches wide, so even if it's bigger than the actual sink cabinet itself, which it would be in this instance, or I could downsize the window, but if I tell it to center it here and insert it, I can just choose still the base cabinet, and it will actually scoot it back to allow for it to be centered on the base cabinet. We can take the library again. We'll go back to our European cabinet layout, take standard uppers, and let's say I want two cabinets, and I want a clearance of maybe 2 inches on the right to allow for that window that's there, and select insert. I'll just put it right over this cabinet, and then I'll select the edge of the window. There's our two upper cabinets. Here we'll put a corner cabinet in this corner, so I'll go to library, go to a corner cabinet. Here I'm just going to tell the cabinet to go to the right and insert. And there's our cabinet. Now here, if I take my tape measure tool again and measure from here to there, I've got 35 inches, so I just want to put a single upper cabinet in there. I'll go to the library, take a standard upper, tell it from the left this time I want the 2 inches, and select distance on screen. Let the program size the cabinet for me and insert it. So if I just click the edge of the window to the end of this cabinet here, it will automatically size the cabinet for me. And if we look at our split view, here's our plan view, here's our elevation view of the work we've done so far, and that's the typical way that you would start a layout. And I can easily fill up the rest of the room with cabinets as well, coming down this wall. If I wanted to just finish this out with cabinets, I can just actually balance out this corner cabinet. I can just say quick copy, select the unit where I want to put it, and then I'm just going to insert it. So if I click here to here, it's going to take the cabinet. So I have balanced cabinets coming out of this corner. They're both 27 inches. They're both balanced cabinets coming out. Now, if I just want to finish out this layout of the wall, I'll select the distance on screen. So from here to the end of the wall, I've got roughly 73 inches. So let's say I put a couple of just standard base cabinets in there. I'm going to go to the library, tell it standard base, select distance on screen. I want two cabinets, but I also want to finish 4 inches away from the corner, and insert. So I'm going to select here to there, and there's your two cabinets. The program set those in and automatically sized it for you. And then if I wanted to finish out just a run of upper cabinets here, again I'll just check my measurement, and we have 107 inches. So if I want 3 cabinets spaced equally across here, I'll just go to library, upper cabinets. We'll take the standard upper cabinet. I'm going to select distance on screen. I want 3 cabinets. So all I have to do now is just click insert, click where I want it to start, and I want it to end right above this cabinet. So there's your, zoom in here, so here's your cabinet layout done and completed for you. Click here. If I want to look, this is the last wall that we did. If I click on this wall, it'll activate this wall for you. So that's the way you do a European style layout of cabinets, or one of the ways you can do a European style layout in AutoCabinets.